Hello, hello, hello. Got ourselves a little tech opening here today. We're taking a look at the Klipsch T3 True wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So, yeah, picked these up at the local Costco, and they were 99 bucks, $100. And yeah, we are gonna take a open of this guy and see what's inside. Maybe I'll have a quick little listen too and get an idea of what they sound like. So there's the box, and how do we open this? It's got a little thing right there. Hello, hello, hello. Got ourselves a little tech opening here today. We're taking a look at the Klipsch T3 True wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So, yeah, picked these up at the local Costco, and they were 99 bucks, $100. And yeah, we are gonna take a open of this guy and see what's inside. Maybe I'll have a quick little listen too and get an idea of what they sound like. So there's the box, and how do we open this? It's got a little thing right there. Oh, little fancy manual. Okay, so there's the case for it, and it is a charger case. You can see the two little nubs in there, left and right for charge. And there is the one side, which you can see there. It says, hard to see that, right. And the other side, left. All right. So at least we know we got both good sides. So those just fit nicely right in there, and it appears that they have some charge to them. In this little pack right here, we've got the extra little buds for sizes, and of course the USB charger in there to charge up the case, which plugs in right in the back, right there. All right. So let's see what it says here. Hold for 3 seconds and then pair with device. So let's go do that, and I'll give you a quick rundown of how these things actually sound. All right, so just listening to these earbuds right now, they actually fit fairly well with the default ones, but I don't know, I haven't tried the other ones yet, so maybe they do fit better. But so far the sound is pretty good. Personal preference, a little bit heavier on the bass side for me, but could be just the music I'm listening to. So right now I'm listening to some 80s house music. Let's try something else. Just looking at some random stuff on YouTube here. Sort of seeing stuff happening. So I am not an audiophile, just a regular music listener, I guess. And I gotta say that these are pretty good. No complaints here. Comfortable, the way they fit in my particular ears. Yeah, can't complain. Probably try the other little earbud pieces to see if I can get even better fit, but so far so good. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a nice little like and subscribe there. Let me know if you've had these on. What do you think? Agree, disagree? Drop in the comments below. Talk to you soon. And yeah, my recommendation for $100, not bad at all.